question. I said, Dr. Blizzard, you've got a PhD in Hebrew studies. You've been studying these things for decades. You've got stacks of books. In your understanding, what is the pronunciation of the name of the God of Israel in the Hebrew Bible?
Well, it's not my pronunciation. It's what the biblical text says.
Yes. And what does it say?
It says, God says, when Moses asked him, what shall I tell the people when I go back down there to Egypt, who was it sent me? And he says, Ehyeh asher ehyeh. Then he goes on to explain that it's Yehováh.
Would you read us those verses from the Hebrew Tanakh?
Yehováh. In the book of Exodus,
Yes, sir.
chapter 3, Moses says to God,
Wait, I want to stop you here. His finger is moving along the Hebrew text, and he's translating in English as he goes.
Again, I'm going to say to the people of Israel, B'nai Yisrael.
Yes.
And if I'm reading correctly, this says Yehováh.
That's what it says right there. Now, you've definitely heard people say it's Yahweh.
Oh,
and
Yehoshua and Yahuwah, and just about.
So you've heard those before?
Oh, yes. I hear it every day because it's all on Facebook or it's someplace else on the internet and coming forth from people that are supposedly well-meaning, good folk, except they've got one major fault.
Oh, what's that?
They don't know Hebrew.
And there it is, people. Thank you from Joplin, Missouri. You heard it here, right here from Dr. Roy Blizzard, PhD.